Okay, right. Really?
In the back garden, it's going to be noisy.
We've just sat down to film and now suddenly there's drilling going on. That wasn't happening for the whole morning.
Drilling?
It's gone now.
Oh no, call us.
Okay, hey up, I'm a Nott'm lass. This is Deb, you all know Deb. Not seen Deb for a while, got a bit of a bad back, but she's getting there. Anyway, this is a little unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 9. I bought this camera because I'm sick of being trapped inside all day if it's raining. I can't go out and film because the camera will get wet. So I've invested into an action camera, hoping that I can get some nice shots when it's raining and I can just go outside when it's raining. So let's unbox it, shall we, Deb? Do you want to unbox it?
No.
Okay, I'll unbox this one then. You can unbox the rest if you'd like. Or should you do this one first?
Go on.
So this is the actual GoPro Hero 9 that I'm going to unbox right now. So excited. Thought I'd treat myself.
You've wanted one of those for ages, haven't you?
I have actually, yeah, but I never really got around to buying one. I bought my mirrorless instead. But anyway, this is the Hero 9 GoPro. Very nice. I've heard that this is the first time it's come with a case.
What did it cost you?
This was 350 quid, I think.
Okay.
Ooh. It's a nice case, isn't it, Deb? Not getting paid for this, by the way.
No. If only.
If only. Let's open it up. Wow. How amazing is that, Dev?
Don't drop it.
I won't drop it. What's this little thing? This is a tripod, I'm guessing. The GoPro. Wow. Oh my gosh. How does everything fit in there, Dev? Do you want to hold it?
Yes.
That's nice, that is. Wait, I'm really confused right now because it comes with batteries even though I've just bought batteries. Oh well. What, a few wires, this little thing, a clip. 2 batteries, which is great. It comes with lots of these little things. I have to have a great time sorting through all this. Nice. Where's the memory card it should come with? It should come with a memory card.
That's paper around the... Look, that comes off, that paper.
Yeah, that'll come off, yeah. What I want to know is where the memory... Oh, their memory card's there. Sorry, guys. It's just there. Very nice. Do you want to unbox something, Deb? That is so cool. What are you unboxing, Deb?
Media mod.
The media mod. Okay, so the media mod is the microphone. There's a microphone in the GoPro camera itself, but I know what I'm like. I love microphones, so I had to buy the accessory to go with it. It's a nice case, isn't it? Wow, this is so exciting. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Cannot wait.
I don't know how to open this.
Just tear it off. Wow, this is so exciting. I need a beer. I'm so hot. So I might get a few comments saying, oh, you shouldn't have gone with that, you should have gone with the DJI Osmo. I researched it and I realised that the DJI Osmo wasn't as good quality as the GoPro Hero 9.
You mean the actual image quality?
Yeah, this is much better, but I know there's a few technical difficulties. I know the screen can be quite slow at times. I have researched this. I'm a very patient person, so I should be fine. If I like this, I'll get the GoPro 10 when it's out in September. But this is just to see if I like it or not. I'm so excited to try it out. So excited. Okay, so what we have to do with this, let me try and attempt to fix all this together. Just take the bit of paper off. This has got 2 screens as well. This is amazing for vlogging. A screen at the front and a screen at the back. This is great. Okay, so let's get the media mod up and running. Okay, I've no idea what I'm doing with all this stuff, guys.
A light mod here. Shall I open this up?
Go on then.
Oh, this fits onto the top. Look, it's a little light.
This opens somehow. How do I do it? How do I open this? God, you're getting straight in there, aren't you, Deb? No messing around. No messing around. What am I doing? What am I doing? How does this open? I know there's a door that should open somehow.
And there's your light.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? How does this work?
Oh look, that's got a little cover for it. There. Oh,
you want to try and open that, Deb? Of course there's drilling. Of course there's drilling.
What is this thing?
So it opens by somehow getting that off. So make it open. It's basically a door. It's got a hinge at the bottom. I know it's just me being stupid. That's really nice. That's a light mod. So cool. Oh, wow.
So what, the camera goes in there?
So basically, yeah, the camera goes in there and then you put the light mod on top. Maybe we should try and get the instructions to open, to see how we open that. I can't believe it's drilling.
Yeah, but it's sod's law, isn't it? We were sitting all day.
We've been out here all day.
Dual battery charger and battery, Hero 9 black.
I don't want to force it, man. How this is so confusing. Getting straight in there, aren't you, Deb?
Yeah.
You don't care, do you?
Past caring. Oh look, battery charger. There we go.
You don't care, do you? Can you please try and open this? Oh, I don't know. You know what? Things like this really bug me. I can't do it. I'm actually like really hot and bothered right now by that. Maybe you'd like to read the instructions. I just want the media mod to work. So who else has got a GoPro Hero 9? What do you think about it? Is it a good camera to use? I'm hoping to, I saw the advert for it the other day and people says no, the GoPro doesn't come with the adventures, you have to go make them yourselves. I thought that was quite funny.
Oh yes, it was funny, wasn't it?
The GoPro doesn't come with friends. Oh God, so funny. This is so cool.
Oh, I see. So you've got to push that down. Look, push that down and that
Yeah.
flips up. Can you push that down and it'll flip up?
Of course.
Doesn't it?
Yep. Thanks, Deb, for that. Okay, what way does it go in then? Guessing it goes in that way.
You will be editing this, won't you?
Yes, Deb. This is not as easy as a Sony mirrorless, guys. It's a bit complicated at first. Not even turned the bloody thing on yet. I hate forcing things.
So you've got to take that off.
How?
That thing. Push down and up. Look, down and up. Down and up.
Down and up?
Yes, look, down. There's an arrow down and an arrow up.
You give that a go. That's just completely just wedged on there. Like madness. God, it's so infuriating, isn't it? Down and up.
Well, look. Look.
Down and up.
You've done it.
Yeah.
Take that off.
Yeah.
Take it off.
Well, it doesn't come off, does it?
It says you pull it off. Pull it right off. Yeah, you've got to pull it off.
You can't pull that off, you'll break it. Gosh. GoPro Hero 9 is complicated.
Oh, it looks like it should come off. Look, it looks like it comes off.
How is this so complicated, guys?
I don't see how that comes off.
No, I don't see how that comes off either. Should we try and put it in here?
Well, no, but you won't be able to plug it in because it's got to go into that little thing there. Hasn't it?
True. Very true.
Look, clearly, you take it off, clearly. Well done.
Okay, that's just hinged on there.
Right, okay.
Okay, we're getting
Put
somewhere.
that in the bag.
So let's get this battery up and running.
Getting it the right way, yep.
Okay. In.
Yay!
Yay. Okay, so on this is pretty cool. We've got a little wind buffer, which just goes on somehow.
Is that the microphone that comes with it, or a different mic? Because you ordered another mic, haven't you?
The microphone is actually in the camera. This is the actual microphone case. Do you get it?
I thought you bought a microphone separately.
That is the microphone separate.
Oh, I see, it's in the case.
Yeah, and then we've got a light mod
That will go on there,
that'll
won't
fit
it?
on here.
Yes. Yes, look.
We finally got there, guys. It's pretty cool, isn't it, Deb? Sorry, everyone, we had to move seats.
Oh, what's over there?
Deb was melting like a little ice cream. So this is the camera, everyone, and I'm absolutely delighted with it. The quality.
You haven't seen the quality of it yet.
That is the quality, guys. Obviously you can't see it, but you'll see it in future videos. It's just great. I can't wait.
Well, it'll be lighter as well.
Yeah, it will be. A little light mod, little microphone. It's like a little dinky camera.
What about the tripod? How does that work with it?
You got a tripod.
Yes, I do.
You got to fix it on with those other things somehow, but that's pretty cool, isn't it? A little GoPro tripod.
Oh, I see. So you just
So it's like a vlogging thing.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. What will they think of the GoPro 10's out September?
Oh, you have to have one of those.
Well, if I like it, I'll get it. But it's just to see if I like it or not, really.
Yeah.
Everyone's shouting in the gardens.
So what?
Well, it's summer, isn't it? Everyone's in the gardens. So you'll see me using this, bearing in mind that the media mod is not waterproof, which is kind of annoying. Isn't it? If you think about it, it's pretty annoying.
Terribly annoying.
Terribly annoying, my neighbour says next door.
It takes a light shower though, doesn't it?
It does take a light shower, yes.
It just says in here, don't submerge underwater.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you have to read up the instructions, Lucy.
I'll have to read the instructions. Yeah. But anyway, this is the GoPro Hero 9 little unboxing video. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. And I shall see you on the next one. Yeah?
What's that for?
A little cliplet. Something or other. I have to research all this. You know, I'm very, very new to GoPro. Never had one before, but very excited. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share. Go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Bye.